78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck right now. Are you one of them? Here is the real problem. Schools never taught us how to handle money. Nobody explained credit scores. Nobody talked about 401k. Nobody showed us how to invest. And nobody told us how to build real wealth. That is exactly why I created Financial Stud. This is the channel where everyday Americans just like you come to learn real money skills that actually work. Every single week, I break it all down for you. How to destroy your debt. How to start investing with just $100. How to boost your credit score fast. How to max out your 401k and Roth IRA. And how to build real, lasting wealth. No fluff, no jargon. Just real, actionable money advice for real Americans like you. So hit that subscribe button right now and let us start building your wealth together. Today.